So example number 4 on page 466 still. We have another example. So what are we doing different here? Let's see. We're given a function. They're letting us know x can belong to any real numbers. First part is saying determine the value of x. This is different. They actually want us to find the value of x. It says determine the value of x. And what is given to us is that the entire function will equal to 47. So they're telling you this part will be 47. Okay, so let me write that here on the side here. So the function is f of x is 10x minus 3. They're telling us that f of x, this part here, is 47. So this is, remember, another way of them telling us what y is. So y is 47, and they want us to find what x is. So this is a second way of question they can give us. So one is when x is given. Remember, if x is given, it's always given inside. So this is where x is given to us. If they give the whole thing is equal to something, they're telling us that they're giving us y, and they want us to find x. So this one needs a little bit more algebra, because whenever we're given the y, we need to isolate for x here. So we're going to go plus 3 because it was minusing. So then we're left with 10x equals 50. And then in order to isolate for x, you're going to go divided by 10 on both sides. So that means x is equal to 5. Okay, so the answer to this is if f of x is 47, x is going to be equal to 5. Or you can write this in function notation. F of 5 is going to give you 47. So you found out what x is equal to. Okay, so you just told them that when x is 5, that's when the entire function will equal to 47. Okay, and part B is also giving you the same thing. It's saying solve the equation f of x equals negative 23. So again, they're telling us what y is. So when I write down my function f of x, they're telling me that this entire thing is negative 23. And they want me to solve for x. So again, the last thing here is minus 3. So you're going to add 3 to both sides. So that gives you negative 20 is equal to 10x. Divide both sides by 10. So x is negative 2. So you can simply say for this answer, x is equal to negative 2. Or in function notation, you will say f of negative 2 will give you negative 23. Okay, so you need to remember these two things, what they mean by it. X is given, solve for y. And when they give it this form, y is given, solve for x.